showing you guys how to contour your face. Basically, this is pretty much for beginners, so if you want to know how I contour my face, then please continue watching. So I make beauty and lifestyle videos, mostly beauty videos. I do lots of product reviews and stuff, so if you like that kind of stuff, consider subscribing and also hit the bell notification so you're updated every time I upload a video. And I'm gonna be more regular with uploading, hopefully, keeping my fingers crossed for that. Now without further ado, let's get into the video. So as you guys can see, I have already done my base. For my primer today, I have used the e.l.f. green one all over my face just to cut the redness out. For the foundation today, I have used my favorite Maybelline Stay Matte Ink. If you guys haven't seen the review of that amazing foundation, it's a drugstore, so it won't be too heavy on your pocket. I will leave the card somewhere up here. You can skip on the concealer if you wish to do so, because no concealer, it's a full coverage foundation. I use this angled tiny brush for powder contour. Cream contour, I use this BS Small Face angled brush. It's a pretty tiny like angled brush, but this is more dense, so it works perfectly for all the cream contouring. So for contour today, I'm using Wet n Wild Mega Glow dual-ended contour stick, and I think this is available on Nykaa. As you can see, I have an oval face. Problem is my huge cheeks. Like, I feel like my face is so flat. I also have a huge forehead, by the way. I have a very warm undertone, so I kind of like ashy cool tones shades, so like my face isn't too warm. You're gonna contour from the top of your ears till the eye. Don't drag it too close to your mouth, like you don't want that. You want to stop right there where your eye ends, pretty much. I like to contour these areas. Always want to contour your jawline so your jawline looks chiseled in photos, unless you're blessed with an amazing jawline, then that's fine. I am not, so I'm going to contour the F out. And I like this stick contouring because it's just so easy to contour your face. And of course I'm going to contour my nose because I just have a very blunt nose, and a little bit under my lip. Cannot wait too long because of course the product's going to dry and you want to get to blending. So you want to push everything towards your hairline. Don't worry about like the crazy lines you might see right now. Everything will be fixed in a bit. You always want to push everything towards your hairline. Like, don't bring anything down towards your face. Everything to the hair. Now let's go blend the jaw. And again, you want to bring this down. You don't want to push this up. You want to bring this down. So you're creating a shadow. Like, do you see? Now I'm happy with the way everything's blended out, and I'm kind of going to leave it at that. You always need to highlight your face. Basically your T-zone, so your forehead, the bridge of your nose, your chin, and your under eyes. I love to use the Naked Skin Urban Decay. Now you guys can use any concealer of your choice. I personally like to use this, that's why I'm using it. And just stipple it into your skin. Like, you don't want to push the product too much. You don't want to drag the concealer up where you put the contour, but you very lightly want to just push the product into your skin. The powder bronzer that I'm using on my face today is from Kiko. It's called the Flawless Fusion Bronzer Powder. You can get this at the Kiko store. This is what the shade looks like. You're going to take your angled bronzer brush and sort of just go over where you used your cream product, and again into the hair. Like, you don't want to bring it too close to your face, too close to your cheeks, because that part is for your blush. You're lying to people saying your face is so skinny when it is not. So after you're done highlighting and contouring your face and everything, I am going to be using the Bharat & Doris loose powder to clean. You can use any loose powder of your choice. You don't specifically have to use the one I'm using. I'm going to dip that. Now that is going to clean my contour. And you do this from your mid-ear, like right here, to your mouth. Take a little bit. I don't like baking my entire face, so I'm just gonna pat my concealer so nothing moves. In the meanwhile, let's go ahead and put some blush. Smile a little and put it all over. You don't want to drag the blush completely on the bronzer. Oh, a little thing that I also love to do, I got this Milani Glow Baked Bronzer. I'm going to take that and sort of just go over it. This one would work best as a contour topper, like a bronzer topper. I don't want to use this alone as a bronzer, only because then I would have to use a lot and then it would just be a glittery, shiny mess, and I don't want that. I want that little glow to my skin, and this is perfect if you use it on top of a different powder or a contour. Is in the shade Whisper of Guilt. Oh my god, this one is a beautiful. Do you see that? It's crazy. It's a beautiful gold, like a cool tone gold. It's not super gold, but it's just gold enough. So now let's use a little bit of lipstick. I'm using the Pink Plaid. And that's pretty much the finished look. I contour every single day because I just love dimension to my face. I don't like a flat, just foundation and blush kind of face. And this is super easy for every single one. Okay guys, so that's all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope this helped who want to contour but they're kind of afraid like where to start, how to start. So yeah, this was something I hope helps some of you out there. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!